Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to show screen keyboard. I'll teach you 3 best ways, which works in any type of Windows. So, the first way. This way useful when you don't have physical keyboard. Go to Start menu, and here you can find the on-screen keyboard. Second way. If you have search box, type here OSK. Next, third way works with almost all type of Windows. Press Windows key plus R, and here type OSK, and you will have the screen keyboard. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!